This is a replica of exactly what's on the track. We're lucky in St. Petersburg to have the first race of the IndyCar season every year.
It's a wonderful experience for the students to get to see the science behind the Grand Prix.
750 horsepower, weighs 1,500 pounds. The track is 1.8 miles long, 180 miles an hour on the airport runway here, 230 miles an hour at Indianapolis 500.
Driving a race car is not just turning a wheel.
You have to probably calculate the math and on how what's more efficient with the fuel, the weights, the designing process.
Definitely aerodynamics, but then you also have to be careful with the grip on the tires and the friction on the track.
Feel free to come and walk around.
Whenever we go to the Grand Prix, I've never been able to see it up close. So I always thought that they'd look interesting, and they definitely do.
It really gets them thinking, gets their curiosity, their creativity going, and some wonderful discussions come from it.
A twin-turbo V6 generates probably as much power as a V8, unless the V8 was turbocharged also.
In STEM, we talk about how all this stuff works, but here, seeing it up close, we actually see a replica of something that actually does work.
What we're learning in the STEM program can help us relate to real-world jobs in the future.